Hi guys, mga kahugots. Welcome back to my channel. Oh, pwede na ba akong as ng ang probinsyano? Pwede na yan? Well, alam niyo ba, both Miss Lorna Tolentino and Angel Aquino send their birthday greetings to me. Yes. So, ayan. Let's hear first Miss Angel Aquino. Siya si Brigadier General Diana Olicardo. Yes, Miss Angel.
Hello, Tito Steve. This is Angel from Provinciano.
Yes.
And I just want to greet you a happy birthday.
Thank you,
Enjoy
Miss
your
Angel
celebration
Aquino.
kahit na we cannot really be together physically.
Yes, I
anyway,
agree.
I hope to meet you soon.
Yes, I
Mag-ingat
look
ka.
forward to
happy
that.
birthday. You stay safe, okay?
Thank you. Thank you, Miss Aquino. Ayan, so you've heard Miss Angel Aquino. I love her greeting. Ngayon, kung meron tayo kanina from the military, now I'm honored to be greeted by the First Lady Lilian Cortez Hidalgo, Miss Lorna Tolentino.
Happy birthday, Father Tito Steve.
Wow,
May you have many more
thank
days to
you.
come. Enjoy your celebration and stay safe.
Mwah, meron din siya. Thank you, Miss Lorna Tolentino. So, yan. So, this made my birthday more special with these greetings. Thank you and have a great day.